One more shot for Aurora Borealis. It's a guys, beautiful in the sky. Oh, so sweet indeed. Oh, I'll move a little bit there. Ayan, it's beautiful. It's beautiful indeed. Thank you, Lord, for sharing this amazing God's creation, for your love, for the beauty in the night sky. Hello, Aurora Borealis. Beautiful. Ayan. Ayan, isn't that sweet? Ayan, ayan. Tiisin ang lamig sa labas. Just to take this moment. Ayan. Beautiful. Oh, look at that one. See the formation of Aurora Borealis. Okay. Ayan, ang ganda. Ay, ay. It's cold in my hand. Beautiful. Ayan siya, guys. Oh, this is better. Ayan. There. Ayan siya, guys. It's beautiful. Ayan. Beautiful moments with Aurora Borealis or Northern Lights of Alberta. Ayan siya, guys. Ang ganda pagmasdan. Ayan. Ay.